Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be telling you about the main changes in SAP BW for HANA 2021 Service Pack 04, and this version was released recently in December 2022. And the main changes has been done in the area of DTs, the data transfer intermediate storage. Here, the changes have been done in the extraction from the ODP. Earlier, when we are extracting the data from any ODP source to into BW, then the loading mode is always serial. But now this has been changed. This restriction is now removed, and we're going to have the parallel extraction so that the time consuming which has been taken earlier now will be reduced. So this is the main benefit in this service pack. And also similarly, once the DTS is filled, then the next reading for the data package is also done parallel. Earlier, both were in serial mode, so the time consuming has been a big factor. But now, due to this restriction removed, so we are going to have a quite good performance in terms of data loading. And we have some facts to that, like the transformation that you are using in the DTPs. So that has to be SAP HANA transformation, not the ABAP transformation. If you're having the HANA transformation, then only you'll be getting this parallel load into the target. Again, you have a possibility that you can turn off this parallel TTs, or you can also stop the parallel TTs for all the targets in the system. So this is all about this tutorial, and just I want to share this information to you about this service pack. Thank you for watching, and please comment below if you want to know something more about BW for HANA.